Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called Storm in the Garden. The chapter number is 8. This chapter, Storm in the Garden, is from NCERT syllabus, class 2, subject English. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called theme-based attendance. So what are the innovations behind this innovative idea, theme-based attendance? The innovation is to use attendance as a medium for learning. That is, during roll call, the students should answer the attendance according to the theme instead of saying press. So this is the innovation behind this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. What is the objective of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concept of prepositions. So this is the objective of this idea. How we are going to implement this innovative idea? In the classroom, inform the students that today we are going to do attendance in a different way. That is, you are going to answer the attendance by using preposition words instead of saying present. For example, student number 1, blackboard on the wall. On is a preposition. Student number 2, dustbin behind the door. Behind is a preposition. So continue this process till all the students answer the attendance by using preposition words. And in this way the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance? The learning outcomes are the students able to use prepositions such as behind, over, under, in, into, and so on. The students able to identify sequence of characters and sequence of events in a story or in a poem. The students able to express verbally, able to ask questions about the sequence of events and characters in a story or in a poem. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story or in a poem. The students able to draw or write words and short sentences in response to a poem or in response to a story. The students are able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. The students are able to collect records and interpret simple information. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve their learning process, can improve their learning skills according to the innovative idea, theme-based attendance. Experiential learning takes the students from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe to Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.